Hey, what's up guys, my name is Anand and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about ChatGPT for digital marketing. Now I'm pretty sure you must have heard about this tool and you might be already using it. So I'm going to give you some practical use cases of how you can use ChatGPT for digital marketing. I will be sharing some tips and tricks and let's give it a spin. So the first thing I want to share is ChatGPT can not just be used for simple copywriting or responding to emails or writing emails, right? You can actually have a conversation based on the campaign that you're trying to promote or any business that you're trying to promote through digital marketing. So I'm going to take an example over here. I have my blog open and I published this blog recently, which is 11 digital marketing trends in 2023. What I'm going to do is I'm going to first focus on search engine optimization, which is one of the channels, right, under digital marketing. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a meta title and meta description for the blog, and then I'm just going to paste the blog, right? And then immediately, as you can see, ChatGPT is helping me with the title and description. So I can simply use this and update my backend. If you have a content management system on your WordPress or on Drupal or any other CMS, right, you can use this meta title and meta description, and immediately you can start optimizing your blog. So that's again a fantastic way to use ChatGPT. The next thing I want to share is how you can come up with some keyword ideas for your ads, right? So I'm gonna say, and let's pick the same example, right? If you have this blog and if you want to promote it through Google Ads, or if you have provided some context about the product or the service page that you want to promote through Google Ads, then the next thing that you can say is, based on the above, can you share a few keywords for Google Ads? And immediately, as you can see, it's giving some pretty awesome results like digital marketing trends 2023, future marketing strategies, upcoming marketing trends, innovation in digital marketing, stay ahead of the curve. And of course, what you can do is you can either regenerate if you don't like some keywords, or you can ask it to provide more keywords. So now you can use this keyword in your Google Ads campaign and start configuring your Google Ads. Now the next thing that you will need is Google Ads title. So write a Google ad headline within 30 characters. Revolutionize your marketing in 2023. Okay, regenerate, dominate 2023 with new marketing trends. Okay, that's fine. So as you can see, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to use ChatGPT in a conversational style. I have already primed the algorithm with this context, and it's using that to provide more information for different channels. So I'm gonna say write a short description for Google Ads, right? And then it's gonna say, okay, stay ahead of the game with our experts insight on the top digital marketing trends for 2023. Boost your business growth now. Okay, fantastic. So as you can see, I have the keywords over here. I have the headline and I have the Google Ads description. And of course, I can regenerate responses so that I have multiple options. But I can go on and on and on, right? So that's where you are in terms of your Google Ads. Now let's see how you can extend it to write an email or a newsletter that can be used to promote the same blog. So I'm going to say, based on the above, write an email newsletter promoting the blog and driving traffic. Add a call to action button to read the blog, right? All right, so now I'm saying is write an email newsletter promoting the blog and driving traffic, and then I'm specifying that add a call to action button to read the blog. So as you can see, ChatGPT is now, clearly helping me with email newsletter. So stay ahead of the game with our latest blog. Dear subscriber, blah blah blah, are you ready? From AI powered chatbots to personalized video content, this blog post covers the top trends. I mean, this is pretty awesome, right? And finally, you have the button as always, best regards, and then your name. So you have now fully, equipped yourself from SEO to Google Ads to newsletter. So, and you can just simply plug it in your, MailChimp, in your HubSpot newsletter, any other email marketing tool that you use. So let's take this further. Um, Based on the above, write 3 social media posts with a clear call to action. Okay, post 1, are you ready to stay ahead of the game? Blah blah blah. Check out our latest blog in X, Y, and Z. Follow the link to learn more and stay ahead of the game, including hashtags, which is pretty funny. Okay, fantastic. And then you have your post 1, post 2, and post 3. So you can now take this and plug that into your scheduler. You can use any other, social media publishing tool, and then you have 3 social media posts which can be scheduled for the month or for the next couple of weeks, right? So there you go in terms of social media. Now let's see what else can we do. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is write a short video script based on the above for my YouTube channel subscribers. Okay, opening shot of someone working on a computer, then the camera shifts to a person. Okay, so it's basically, giving you an action, but look at this. Now it's literally giving me a video script. Actually, I didn't want. Okay, it's giving me like, the camera shifts to a person. Okay, it's actually like trying to script out, including like action shots and camera angles, which is not exactly what I wanted. But anyways, this is fine. But as you can see, now I have a YouTube script which I can literally follow as it is. I can just pick like, the sentences under narrator, and then I can, literally like say as it is, and I have a YouTube script. So we started from a simple title of the blog. We then optimized it. Then we identified the keywords, wrote a few ad copy headlines and descriptions for Google Ads, then went into email marketing. So we have the email marketing going on, and we sent out a newsletter, and then we now have a YouTube script, and there you go. So as you can see, this is pretty powerful. I mean, you can even, what you can do is, you can even like copy the content from the blog. So I'm gonna just simply copy this. I'm gonna say like 7 tips from here, and then I can say, based on the below blog post content, write 3 social media posts. And what I'm doing is I'm giving it the exact content, right? It's now going to read through this context or content, and then it's going to give me social media post. So you can actually feed in the data, and then ChatGPT will understand it, summarize it, rewrite it, and it's going to give you exact social media posts. So it doesn't have to make up its own stuff, right? So that's how, you can really use this tool to make your life easier. Now again, I don't recommend this tool to just simply create these content and copy and paste as it is. You definitely have to have, some human editing, the content. But as you can see, you can use it for research work. You can use it for, email, social media, advertising, YouTube, pretty much anything that you want. The other thing I want to say is, I'm going to say, let's say you are an expert digital advertiser. Can you recommend a few target audiences that I can use for LinkedIn ads. Now what I'm saying is I'm asking ChatGPT to give me a few options or targeting options that I can use for my LinkedIn ads. And look at this. It's giving me like options such as job title, target specific job titles within your industry, such as CMO, Director of Digital Marketing. It's also giving me options for company size, industry, location, and I guess much more, I guess in LinkedIn groups. So this is insane. Like, you have the ultimate power with you. This is almost like you have an employee working for you. So if you are not using this tool to really enhance your overall like digital marketing, I mean, you're missing out. So that's pretty much it, guys, in terms of how you can use ChatGPT. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you have any tips or if you have discovered any, super, impactful, strategies for using ChatGPT, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you next time. Thank you.